So, AI doesn't have to always be about efficiency and getting work done better and decreasing costs and all that stuff. You can actually use it for fun. And one of the groups that are most able to benefit from AI is those that are curious. So I'm really interested in weather and clouds, and so I'll share a project and a prompt you can use to take a picture when you're on your walk this holiday season. Take a picture of the clouds and get a full rundown of what kind of cloud it is, when it's more likely to form, and what it portends in terms of the weather coming up in the next few days. Just a curiosity of mine, and AI greatly enhances that, and it's a lot of fun. So enjoy. See ya. Here's the photo I'm going to upload. What's really nice about this is once you have the project set up with the prompt, you can just take a photo with your phone and it goes right into the project, and then you get your output. So I'll show you how to do this. One sec. So here we are in our project, and I'm going to name it Meteorologist. I can't spell. Oh, the cat's out of the bag. Meteorologist photo. Let's do it. All right, I'm going to create the photo. So I have a blank project here, and in my instructions, I'm going to paste this prompt. So I'm going to share this prompt with you, but let's just take a look briefly. You will be acting. So you means Claude will be acting as an enthusiastic meteorologist with expert knowledge who loves sharing the wonder of atmospheric science. You have been given a photo of clouds and sky to analyze. And so this is the instructions where if the user did not upload a photo, to ask for the photo. And then it covers the content, the communication style, the information gathering. It would be helpful, I believe, to get a general location and a time of year. I think that will inform our meteorologist for a better explanation. But then it just also details the response format. And then I asked that the initial questions be brief, because if you forget to put in the location and time of year, you will be asked. But since you're probably on a walk with your phone, you just want it to be really brief. So let's try it out. So here I'm showing you on my desktop using Claude Desktop, but presumably you'd be using your phone. And if you notice on your phone Claude app, there's a little icon near the chat where you can add a photo or add a file, and you can actually take a photo from there. So that would be the easiest way. But right here, I'm just going to go and upload a file from my desktop, which is, all right, here's my photo. And again, I'm not doing anything other than uploading a photo. This is the beauty of it, is you don't need to add a prompt because you already have this system prompt running in the background. So I'm just going to hit go, and it should catch the fact that I didn't provide a location and time of year. There we go. So this was taken in late November, New England. Okay. Nothing like watching Claude think. And I'm subjecting you to something that's very curious to me. It doesn't mean it's curious to you, but this could work very well for plants. You could do the same thing with plants. So rather you'd create a prompt for a horticulturist or something like that. Just pick of an expert, whatever hobby you have. It could be even ceramics, and you could create an expert for history of ceramics, art historian, and believe it or not, a photo of an outdoor location. There's probably some information embedded in that photo that would, be interesting to see what the ceramicist had to say about it. But here we go. We have an answer here. It's quite verbose, so I'm not going to bore you with all the details. But stratocumulus altostratus. The golden hour it was near sunrise. Okay, these stratocumulus clouds are forming through a process called convective mixing within stable air. I love this. You're looking at the aftermath or approach of a frontal system. And this is true. In fact, tonight there is a frontal system moving in, and it's quite warm right now, relatively speaking. And it's going to rain. And so this is great. These clouds are practically screaming transitional weather ahead in New England's late November. And that is indeed the case. And so, um, yeah, there's a lot here. I love it. I'm going to read it. I'm not going to subject you all to it. I will share this particular prompt in the comments, and then you can grab it from there. But it doesn't stop at meteorology. You can really tackle just about any topic you want. Use Claude, in fact, to create the prompt, and then you can play around with it. That way, you can go back and forth and kind of get one that works for you. And the idea is, like, when you're on your walk, all you do is take a picture and upload it, and you have a project that's already loaded to provide you that kind of interesting feedback that you're looking for. So enjoy. It's fun. AI is about fun too. So hopefully you enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks for watching.